Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this video as a US dollar index, right? So let's get started. This is the US dollar index monthly chart, 13th April 2024. I made this, and it is showing that this is the area 1753 supposed to hold, and we're supposed to drop to this rising TL, the first one, the inner rising TL, and then if we break that, we're supposed to go to the outer rising TL, right? At the same time, I made the weekly chart as well, and this was the chart, weekly chart, May 1st, and this is the area 1753, supposed to be coming down here. This was the target 0698, right? So after that, what happened is it start to come down this way, and then you can see now at this point, I realized that it could be a triangle, right? In wave, a triangle occurs in wave 4 or in wave B. So this could be A here, and then this B, and then C to the downside, right? So A, B, C, D, and E. So this is how I draw these alphabets for 5 legs in triangle, right? A, B, C, D. After finishing D at 60698, it's supposed to go up again back to 1753 for leg E, right? That would be the end point of the triangle in wave B, and then drop for C, right? Obviously, we need Fundy and all of that for that, but this was my prediction, right? So what happened is start to drop, and then you can see here, fast moving, and then we drop here, and then we went up this far on the 13th November 2024. So we did exactly what I said when we were here, right, 4 or 5 months ago. So now I made the chart that's going to go up and hitting this 1753 probably, and then drop. So what happened on the 16th? It went up again, but failed to hit 1753. At the same time, I made the daily chart as well, that's showing that, okay, we were very close to 1753, but we did hit the TL, the triangle TL, upper TL, right? But I was still expecting that it will go up and hit the 1753 before dropping. So what happened? This has happened, right? So I made this chart yesterday, Saturday. So you can see that we dropped a little bit, then we went up and hit 1753 anyway, right? And the weekly chart also showing that it is touched, and then we pull back a little bit, right? So we are sitting just below 1753, as I was expecting that this thing is going to drop all the way here for D and then go up for E. So that happened already. Now, the beauty of this, knowing the direction of the index, is that you have a multiple choice in trades. Trading, you have 7 pairs. These are the 7 pairs that I watch: Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, New USD, UJ, UC, and UF. Right? USD Yen, USD CAD, USD Franc. Obviously, I do not trade Aussie USD or New USD and USD Franc. So, but this is what happened basically. The USD, the 4 pair that USD is on the right hand side. When it is going to the upside, then they will go down, and these will go up, and that's exactly what happened. But according to this chart, now if we hold below 1753 and start to drop, what will happen? This will happen. So these 4 pair will go up, and these 3 pairs will go down because of the weakness in USD. Of course, we need fundies for that, and I don't know how we're going to get that, because the economy is strong. All the numbers are coming positive. Trump in the office now, right? So what is going to happen? I have no idea, fundy wise and economic wise. But this is the technicals that I see. We may not drop and break this area and go to the upside to this high or this high maybe, right? Or even all the way to this high. That is possibility. But what I'm going to do is that I'm going to watch the 1753. If this start to pull back and go down, then this will happen, and then I'll look for my entries in that direction. That's how you have multiple choice in different trades, right? You have 7 trades. You can choose whichever pair gives you the good entry, you take it. Simple as that. But this thing needs to be dropping. My 40-minute chart looks like this. See the 1753, that's price. Here, it never touched. But this one, it dropped a little bit, made the long setup again, went up and touched that, and sitting just below 1753. So if it starts to drop, then Euro USD, Pound USD especially will go up, and USD CAD, USD Yen will go down. right? So these are the 4 pairs that I concentrate, and then I'll be taking my entries according to that, and I will show it to you in my video, next video, that these are the trades that I took. Now, just like I showed my gold trades, right? And had made a gold video yesterday showing that this was my prediction that the gold is going to go up for wave B, and it went there exactly. And I had maybe 5, 6 long gold trades, and I showed it to you. So this is how, if you do the homework ahead of time, Elliott wave count, triangle, this, that, harmonic patterns, right? And then you anticipate that this thing is going to move in this direction. So this will be the side effect on the pairs. And then you just simply watch those pairs, open the charts, watch it. I have my alarm that beeps when a long or short setup builds up. And then I'm notified, and then I just come and see, take a look at that. Okay, this is in my direction. Yes, all right, I'll take it. All my setup requires 25 pip. I sell hard. I sell no matter what, right? From 20-minute chart, my entry chart. So if I lose 25 or no, nothing, because if the entry moves 25, 30 pip positive, I my SL goes and sit on a break even anyway, right? So if after that it had hit my SL, no loss at all. But if the winners, you see my winners, big winners, right? 100 pip, 150 pip, 200 pip winners. So this is how the system works. So if you like what you saw, you can go on my website here, creativetrading.system.com, and be a part of it. And I have made all the charts, weekly charts and 40-minute charts of pound USD, euro USD, USD CAD, and USD yen. And I will be posting those charts for my paid subscribers on their Telegram channel, right? For my subscribers. So, I can get them ready. And right now it's 12 p.m. and around 4 p.m. I will do a webinar for my subscribers and my paid subscriber, right? And they will be up and ready. And if you want to be a part of it, like I said, that go on my website and join. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the few hours of the weekend. Right. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get these videos on time. You can take advantage of these setups. Okay, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later.